Welcome back. Today, I got a snowblower. All I know is it sat all spring and summer. Now it won't start. The gas has already been changed, and that's it. So I'm assuming it's a carburetor problem. So I'm going to go through and clean out the carburetor. Carburetor's right here. That's the gas tank. That's the carburetor. Let's see what the carburetor looks like. Oops, fuel coming out of it. So it's getting fuel. Yeah, we'll just let that spill all over. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty nasty. It's a little bit covered on the bowl. Probably just peel that right off. I'm gonna clean it out. Why does the straw not sting? Should grab like a paper towel or something, but I'm trying to rub all this out of here. You can see with the bowl. Look at that. That's what it should look like. Nice, clean. I just rub all this out with my finger. Yeah, it's got that nice shine back to it. Probably didn't really have to clean that, but since it's a thing that sits and you don't ever really know how long it's gonna sit, now it has to rebuild up all that stuff there for it not to run again. Should probably pull the float so I can clean all the stuff underneath of it. Really clean this carburetor out. Yeah, look at all that. It's got a little bit of buildup on the bottom of the needle there. We'll clean all that off, and all of this needs cleaned off. You can hear and see the gas bubble, so I know it's getting through there. Getting through that. There's just this one right here that looks, it's not really a hole, I guess. I'll just rub all that old stuff off of there since I'm in here. And then clean the needle out. I can just rub all this off with my hands. Float looking better. But go ahead and stick this back on here. Well, they made that one easy, didn't they? We'll go ahead and stick our bowl back on. Let's stick this back here. Nice and tight, not too tight. And let's see if it starts. We'll prime it. Choke on. Okay, I'm gonna check the spark plug. Here's the coil. Looks clean. I grab my spark plug tester. Alright, this goes on the spark plug. Yeah, it's getting sparked. I don't know if you guys can see that from here. This right here lights up when I pull on the cord. So it is getting spark. So I can remove that. Doesn't feel like it's getting fuel to this. See, this sounds empty. This right here goes to purge bulb, which is then connected to the carburetor. And if there's old fuel in there, clogged up, that also, because this doesn't sound like it's getting fuel. It almost sounds like this is like leaking air somewhere. So if I pull this off of there, clear this out. I mean, if that was getting to the carburetor, this would start. Builds up pressure all the way to there. Yeah, so it's not clogged because it's, so if this was clogged, then it wouldn't shoot out of the prime bulb right there. So this is not clogged. So something in the carburetor is probably clogged. However, this should pull fuel from, or push fuel out of the carburetor. I'm gonna run this back the way it goes. Alright, I'm gonna check the carburetor and where this goes and see if that's clogged. Or I gotta pull this off. I gotta pull all this off. I think I know what it is. There's another hole I gotta clean and it's Usually where the air filter is, but this doesn't have an air filter. It's probably clogged up in here. There we go. The hole I want to clean is right there. And then if that's clear, then I should be able to then start it. So if I spray fuel or carbs cleaner through this, cool, it gets all the way through, which is what we want. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. The choke on. Alright, I'm gonna try a trick. I'm gonna pull the fuel line from the purge bulb to fill the carburetor with carb cleaner, and then see if it works. So it does run. I just gotta find out where the fuel's not getting to. So if I prime this, it's getting fuel then, because it is starting. So it's getting fuel, and then I keep priming it to give it more fuel, and then it stops getting fuel. So something else is clogged in the carburetor. I'm gonna take the bowl back off. The only thing I didn't pull out the jet fuel, because you can see fuel getting through it. So it should be clean. So I guess I'm just gonna pull this out. So there's a little piece in here that I'm trying to get out. I just use this, I can maybe get it out. It's not coming out. Oh, it's almost out. I'm gonna try to get it with a screwdriver maybe. Try to wiggle it out. It's like right on the edge. There it is. Yeah, I can see all the way through it. So this is the jet. This is a very tiny hole. A tiny hole goes all the way through. Oh, you can see through it all the way right there. But the hole does go all the way through. But I'm also going to clean in this hole. I don't know what else would need cleaned. I mean, it runs. It's just something's getting blocked. Stick this back in here. Tighten it down. Nice and snug right up till where it stops. But it should run. And now we can try and start it again. Okay, so I have to pull the key up. I've cleaned the carburetor out and it starts. That's going to be the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see next. Still waiting for parts for that. I have parts lined up for that. I got purge bulbs for that and they were too big, so now I have to get different ones. But that's coming soon.